ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ अस्माकम् अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति अभ्यास 30 अन्तिम अभ्यास गणप्रकरणे। एकनिमिषः। अस्तु, गणप्रकरणे अन्तिम अभ्यासः अस्ति अभ्यास 30। अधुना वयं पश्यामः पूर्व 2-3 वारे वयं पश्यामः व्याकरण आदिगण। अस्तु
Akash ji, you had asked us to create some sentences.
Please WhatsApp and we will see tomorrow. I will see on WhatsApp and we can discuss that tomorrow. Or maybe at the end, if you can WhatsApp it to me before the end of the session, we can see it at the end of the session. After 5:30 minutes. Astu. Pratamaha Bhadi. So we have already finished in the last 3 weeks or so, 3-4 weeks. Bhadi, Adadi, Jyotyadi, Divadi, Swadi, Tudadi, Rudhadi, Tanadi, Churadi. 9 we have done. Today Kriyadi is there. Today's last Gana. With this Gana Parichaya will be complete. And what we can do potentially is have one new column to this document, which I will send on the Google group, and then we can just add a column for sutra, whichever the Vidhayaka sutra for each Gana is. Astu. Kintu pratamaha ka shabdani. Ka shabdani. आभाजी कृपया पाठतु क शब्दानि।
अभ्यास 30 क भूभृत means राजा और पर्वत, महीक्षित राजा, विपश्चित विद्वान, मरुत वायु, शुश्रूषा सुनने की इच्छा या सेवा, चिकित्सा इलाज, मीमांसा गंभीर विचार, मीमांसा दर्शन। और हमको जो बताया था पूजित विचार।
करेक्ट।
यहाँ पे सेट गंभीर।
एग्जैक्टली पूजित विचार। गंभीर विचार मीमांसा दर्शन they are given, but पूजित विचार is the correct translation as given in Artha Sangraha etc. पूजित विचार, मीमांसा is पूजित। I was going to say but you still said correct, exactly, wonderful। अस्तु, भूभृत राजा पर्वत, भू को भरण करने, जैसे दे आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ भू अर्थ, राजा और हिमालय ऑल्सो, दैट इज पर्वत ऑल्सो, माउंटेन एज वेल। महीक्षित राजा, विपश्चित डज इट साउंड फेमिलियर? विपश्चित in Kathopanishad there is a mantra.
Yes, it does. Bhagavad Gita also, right?
But Bhagavad Gita vipaschit does not come. Vipaschati maybe, but vipaschit. Sundarji, you are saying something?
No, this is Kathopanishad.
There is a Kathopanishad, that shloka is also there in Bhagavad Gita. That same shloka, but that vipaschit shabda doesn't. Najayate mriyate va vipaschit. That is from Kathopanishad. Vipaschit, nayam kutaschit, na babuva kaschit. In Bhagavad Gita it is najayate mriyate va kadachit. Nayam bhutva hadbhavita vanabhuya. That's second chapter. So vipaschit is from Kata. Vipaschitaha.
Vipaschitaha is also there.
Yes, Vipaschitaha will be there in Gita twice or thrice even maybe. Vipaschitaha.
It's in chapter 2. Yato to yapi kaunteya
purushasya vipaschitaha
indriyani pramathini
haranti prasabham manaha satyam. Correct. So vipaschitaha is there also. Vipaschit. So vidwan. That is Vipaschit is Vidwan. So Vipaschitaha will be Shashti. We have seen, we will see now, I guess. Vipaschitaha will be Shashti Ekavachan. Marut, Vayu, air. And then Vipaschitaha will be Shashti Ekavachanam. We will see that today. Then this part is important. So today what we do is something called San Pratyaya. San Pratyaya, of course, is mentioned very often, very often in Vedanta Granthas also. And the thing about San Pratyaya, and we have seen Nich Pratyaya. So there is a speciality with Nich, San, etc. They are more commonly used than most Pratyayas because they are like universal to all and they can be used they are used often, more often than others. San Pratyaya is in Ichha ke arth. जैसे Nich Pratyaya was Prerana ki arth, San Pratyaya is Ishtha ki arth. So in Nich Pratyaya we said Pat Dhatu Pathayati. He is making the other person read. Here this Pat Dhatu will be Pipatishati, that we will see later in this. That is, he wants to read or she wants to read. That answer, that Ichha ke artha will come in San Pratyaya. So each Pratyaya has specific artha and these two are important for another reason. I will say once we finish here, I will say one more reason why San and Ich are critical. But before that, Shushrusha, Sunne ki Ichha athava Seva, both are correct. So this came yesterday in Bradanika, I think, or Tarka Sangra, one of these sessions. This Shushrusha Shabda came, and in that context it meant Seva, but in many contexts it also means Shrotum Ichha Shushrusha, Sunne ki Ichha. Sundarji, where did it come? Do you remember?
I was also thinking, like, clearly between Tarka Sangra.
Yeah, one of the, because we didn't have any other sessions. Because only those two we had the last 2 days.
Yeah, but if I just see my Tarka Sangra book,
I think it is one of those. So Shushrusha has this.
Today morning also Swamiji mentioned, though the word wasn't Shushrusha,
that
but
one.
San Pratyaya ka ek shabda aaj.
That only. So it is from today morning, right? So today morning that came.
Yeah.
Shushrusha Shabda came. The meaning is Seva. So in the class we were discussing this, but of course I don't think that carried over the audio with Swamiji's audio. But we were discussing how Shushrusha means Seva or Shrotumicha, both. Like this Shabda, basically what we have today in Sanskrit came today in Tarka also. Good coincidence. Shushrusha, Sunne ki Ichha, Seva, both. Sunne ki Ichha in Sanskritam will be Shrotum Ichha. Shrotum Ichha, Sunne ki Ichha or Seva. Both are Shushrusha. And Chikitsa, Kartum Ichha, Ilaj, Karane ki Ichha. Mimamsa, यहाँ पे गंभीर विचार मीमांसा दर्शन है, but correctly you said Davaji, पूजित विचार है. मीमांसा पूजित विचार है. Below they are going to give Rupa also. Kha Shabdani Ameva Patami, Kha Dhatavaha, E Dhatu Jana ka artha, going somewhere. But you see the interesting part here, because of each upasarga, meaning will change. Ut upasarga purvak, Uday hona. ज्ञानोदय ऑल्सो उदेति, जैसे सूर्य उदेति, उदय हो रहा है. एंड आ प्लस ई, आना, टू कम, और अप प्लस ई, दूर होना, to go far. So based on the upasarga, the meaning will change, and they have given 3 upasargas and new meanings here for e dhatu. Ga dhatu, Ga Shabdani is Avyaya Shabdani. So this Chit और Chana दोनों किम शब्द के साथ मिलकर अनिश्चयी बोधक अव्यय. So this is like how we say in Bhashya Tika we often get Kechit, Kechana, same meaning. Kaschit, Kaschana, Kinchit, Kinchana, all that. It is all same. Chit, Chana, Kinchit, Kinchana, all these many mantra shlokas will be there for all these. Kechit, of course in Bhashya, in Tarka and in Pradanika, Bhashya, Tika, etc., that other people will think Kechana iti manvanti. They think this way, manvita. They think that way. Kechaneti mante. In that way they will say. Kechaneti pashyanti. They see it in that way. Some others see it. Kechan. Or kechit. Both. Hyaha, vigata din, yesterday. Parahyaha, day before yesterday. Parso. Shvaha, tomorrow. Parashvaha, day after tomorrow. Hyaha, parahyaha. Shvaha, parashvaha. Shvaha Shabd, all these are Upanishad common, we will find occurrences. Kathopanishad, Shvasham, Shvabhava, Martyasya, Dantagaita, that is there. Hyaha, many will be there. Hyaha, we'll have to check, but there are Hyaha, many
But
shabdas.
I can't recollect too many yaha shabdas which actually mean vigatadin. Like that here comes quite often, but with the meaning yesterday, I'm trying to think.
Hyaha means yesterday. So here will come, jaise apo here. That will be part of the word itself. That will be a dhatu rupa. Like one way the dhatu will, or the sanya will decline. But hyaha as such means yesterday. Hyaha and shvaha. Hyaha, shvaha. I'm sure some mantra, something will be there. In Gita also.
That's fine.
You can check. But this yaha is there. Like,
And how would we break up yaha? Yaha will be he and something. How would, what is the combination of the two?
the combination to it as such doesn't have a split. It is one word only, but it is yaha. So it is he plus aha. If you want to say, like, you want to understand how it is written or how it is said, it is he, aha, hyaha. But it is one word. Just say shvaha is one word. Like, it is actually one akshara. To be very honest, hyaha is one akshara, one letter. It is a one letter word. Hyaha, shvaha, all these.
And yaha, you are saying he and aya.
No, to say or to write you can say that way, but
But it's one akshara.
it is only one akshara. It is like one only. So in Sanskrit there will be a lot of one letter words. This like ke, kaha kau, ke, kaha, ke, kau, all of these are one letter words. Because they have the consonant and the vowel, swara, vyanjana and swara are together. That's all. That is one letter. So in that way, this also yaha, shvaha. In that way, you can say h and aha, yaha. You can say ich and yaha. You can say, or to understand how to say he yaha, hyaha, or yaha, hyaha. That will be the shuddha way, but it is one word as such. Astu gha kriya visheshna. Sundar ji कृपया पठतु gha.
Shushruhu. सुनने का इच्छुक
शुश्रूषुः
शुश्रूषुः सुनने का इच्छुक चिकीर्षुः करने का इच्छुक जिज्ञासुः जानने का इच्छुक विवक्षुः बोलने का इच्छुक जिज्ञासुः मारने का इच्छुक जिघांसु मारने का इच्छुक दिदृक्षुः देखने का इच्छुक
Okay, so we will do one exercise, simple exercise. Here, so okay, we can take from this only. Shushrushuhu is sunne ka ichchuk they have given. In Sanskrit, if I want to say, I will say shrotum ichuhu. Shrotum ichuhu shushrushu. Why? Because in our classes, in our Vedanta classes, these questions often come. Shushrushuhu, what is Shushrushu? Shrotumichuhu. Like that, our Swamiji will ask questions. So, Shushru, what is Shushrushu? Like that, Chikirshuhu, Kartumichuhu. Chikirshu. Karne ka ichchuk in Hindi, in Sanskrit, Kartumichuhu, Chikirshuhu. Jignasuhu, Janne ka ichchuk. So, what will be in Sanskrit? Satyam. Jnatum ichchuhu. So here there is one point. So when we say शुश्रूषुः श्रोतुम् इच्छुः, चिकीर्षुः कर्तुम् इच्छुः, जिज्ञासुः ज्ञातुम् इच्छुः. This tum is called tumun pratyaya. So there is a trick here. When you want to make a dhatu into a san prayoga, sananta or san pratyayanta dhatu, जैसे श्रु धातु it is, right? श्रु धातु is to listen. श्रु धातु, I want to listen, श्रोतुम इच्छिष्यामि और श्रोतुम इच्छामि, श्रोतुम इच्छाम्यहं प्रभो. Parvati ji, Arjuna, etc. will also say Shrotum Ichchami, I want to listen. That Shrotum, Tumun Pratyaya has come. This is called Tumun Pratyaya. Tumun Pratyaya I don't think is there. I don't know if it is there. Tumun, it is there. Abhyasa 36 we will have Tumun Pratyaya. Anyway, this Shrotum is called tumun. Shrotum, jnatum, patum, patitum, all of this. And here kartum, all this is tumun. So when we have san pratyaya, you add the tumun pratyaya and say ichha. Dhatu plus san equals dhatu plus tumun plus ichha. So dhatu plus san here is shushrushu. Shru dhatu plus san pratyaya has become shushrushuhu. So what is shushrushu? Dhatu plus tumun, shrotum. Shru plus tumun, shrotum. Ichha. Shrotum ichha, shushrusha. Shrotum ichuhu, shushrushu. This is the trick.
Also there in page 83.
Page 83.
223.
Page 223. In the book, but it is also there in the PDF. Right. Page 223 in the PDF also should have it. Correct. So all the declinations will be given for each dhatu, how that tumun pratyaya declines. And san pratyaya will also be there somewhere. I'm sure it will be there. 205 also, it is there. On page 205, tumun pratyaya is given. In the PDF also, page 205. And san pratyaya will also come little later. So we see how each dhatu will decline in that way. So shrotumichuhu shushrushu, kartumichuhu chikirshuhu, jnatumichuhu jignasuhu, and vivakshuhu will be correct. Jigamsuhu
antum,
correct. Antumichuhu. Didrukshuhu
jiga. Babaji only said that Jaganya.
Jiga, correct. But what is the sutra that makes the ha into ga? Any idea? The sutra that makes ga into ha.
Last class only we looked into all of this.
7358.
54. This sutra number will not work because this. I give an example why it won't work, right? I said this before, but again we will see. This eco-energy sutra is there, 6177, right? Eco-energy number is 6177. Where I studied Ashtadhyayi, they have 6178 as eco-energy. And 6178 is Echo Yavayavaha. And we know, all of us know, that Eco-energy and Echo Yavayavaha are completely different sandhis. Eco-energy talks about E plus A and all that. Echo Yavayavaha will talk about A plus A, all those things. So sometimes this numbering, here it is okay, Ashtadhyayi we are giving numbers, but some other website, some other person may slightly have a different numbering and then it becomes off. But 7354 is okay. Ho hante nirneshu. Where is that? Ho hante. Ho hante. This one. Abhaji maybe remembers, and here also I guess people remember. 7354. Ho hante nirneshu. This sutra says that handhatu, that ha will become gha. So in Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavan says, kam ghatayati hamtikam. He does not say kam hatayati, ghatayati. वेदा विनाशं नित्यं येनमजमव्ययं कथं स पुरुष पार्थ कं घातयति हन्ते 2nd chapter 21st श्लोक I guess. So that hatayati will not be there, ghatayati. So that is through this sutra. Same thing is here. Jighamsuhu is actually hantumichuhu. Ha has become gha. That same logic. Aso didrikshuhu. It's a little hard.
Drakshumichu.
Close. Darshitum. Darshitum ichu didrikshu. To see, right? Or drashtum ichuhu, you can say. Drashtum ichuhu. To see. Dekhne ka ichuhu. Dikhane ka ichuhu will be darshitum ichuhu. Didarshayitai. Didarshiksha or something like that. Like sisadhaisha. Sisadhaisha is sadhayitum ichu. Same thing. Sisadhaisha sanpratyaya sadhayitum. Tumun pratyaya. Sadhayitum icha. Sisadhaisha. Same that all these are coming. Pipasuhu. Pipasu is to drink. Some people say patumichuhu. Correct. Pibatumichuhu. Pipasuhu. Patumichuhu will be to get. Will be a different meaning. Pibatumichuhu.
Pana.
Ha. To be to drink in that way. And
Pibatu will be pina.
Ha, pina. All this, there is a trick to see all this. So if I say pa dhatu here, right? Pa pane, to drink. I go to dhatu pata first. I just said pa pane. But then what I say, I go here. So if I said kartari, you will get pibati, pibataha, pibanti. All the normal parasmay pada will be, you can find it. And then if I say bhava karmanoho, atmane pada, you can get piyate, piyate, piyante. In that way, if I say sannante kartari, you see, pipasati. Here they have given pipasa, pipasuhu. Pipasati is for patum ichhati, pipasati. And here pipasuhu will be patum ichuhu, pipasuhu. Or sorry, pibatum ichhati. Not patum ichhati, pibatum ichhati, pibatum icha, ichu. To drink. Desire to drink. Titirshuhu, crossing. Tairne ka ichuk. So in this way, all these dhatus you can take. When there is san pratyaya, dhatu plus tumun plus ichha will become dhatu plus san. And this is true.
Dhatu plus tumun plus ichha is equal to
dhatu plus san. So for example, we can take some easy one. Like, okay, we can take jignasu, right? Jignasu, nya dhatu. So nya dhatu plus san pratyaya is jignasuhu. Ha, nyatum. So nya dhatu plus san pratyaya is jignasuhu. But instead of that, you can say, because dhatu plus san is dhatu plus tumun plus ichha. So nya dhatu plus san will be jignasa. There you say nya dhatu plus tumun, that will become nyatum. And then you say ichha, nyatum ichha, jignasa. Patitum ichha, pipatisha. Hantum ichha, jighamsa. Vaktum ichha, vivaksha. These are all common words in our Bhashya Tika. Vivaksha, Shushrusha, Jignasa. This is all there often. At some point when Brahma Sutra sessions begin.
Drishyam ichha.
Drashtum.
Drashtum.
Ha, to see. This you can see, we can find this. So, Drish Dhatu we have to find. Sanskrit. And I say Drish Dhatu.
Bhubukshu also comes.
Bhoktumichu, correct. Bhubukshu is Bhoktumichu. And Vividishu. Vividishu is Vividesha Sannyas. So like this, many will come, like with San Pratyaya especially. Always you can just take the dhatu, add tumun and say Icha. That is all. For San Pratyaya, this is the trick to understand, to simplify that word. So for example, Drish dhatu, Didrikshate. So drish dhatu, drashtumichuhu, Didrikshuhu. Here they have given Didrikshuhu. Same thing. Dekhne ka ichu. Didrikshu. Drashtumichu. So this is the trick with sun and tumun. They are connected. Here they have not given that trick, but it is true for all. Most of the time.
So we don't do drishtum ichhami. We do didrukshum ichhami.
No, drashtum ichha is didriksha. So how Bhagavan, Arjuna or Bhagavan, sometimes it comes drashtum ichhami ham prabho, they say. Drashtum ichhami is didrikshuhu. Aham drashtum ichuhu will be didrikshuhu. Drashtum ichhami didrikshami. Same thing.
So it will be aham didrukshuhu.
Aham didrikshuhu. Satyam. Aham didrikshuhu. Aham didrikshuhu. Because I am Deknika Ichuk. I am the Ichuk, right? I am the desirer to see. So aham didrikshuhu. But what I want to do? Didriksha. I have drashtum icha. So I have didriksha. That. And if I do it, if I say I want to see, drashtum ichami. So I will say didrikshami. Like how we say when Brahma Sutra eventually begins, whenever it begins. Jignasu, athato Brahma Jignasa. So what is Jignasa? That question is going to come. Jnatum ichuhu, Jignasuhu. Jnatum icha, Jignasa. The icha will go with tumun, not with sun. Tumun plus icha is sun, not sun plus icha. Tumun plus icha is sun. Sun is the shortened version. There you can add tumun. Suchna, Bhubrit Marut, Bhubritavat. Shushrusha, Mimamsa, Ramavat. So we will see Bhubrit Shabda. भूभृत शब्द अष्टम पृष्ठ क्रमांक 125 भूभृत राजा पर्वत तकारांत पुल्लिंग. सो वी हैव सीन अकारांत पुल्लिंग जैसे राम, इकारांत हरि, उकारांत गुरु, ऋकारांत पितृ और कर्तृ. वी हैव सीन ऑल दिस एंड वी आल्सो सॉ गो, ओकारांत पुल्लिंग गो शब्द आल्सो वी हैड सीन. Now we are going to see, and we have seen Bhagavan also, right? I think we have seen Bhagavan earlier. Bhagavan ho gaya.
Yes, okay.
Bhagavan is also done. So here there is one left. Takaranta, and then you see Atma is also here. Atman Shabda also comes later. Atma Pullinga. So later it will come. Bhubrit. Sundarji कृपया पठतु Bhubrit Shabda.
Bhubrit, Bhubritau, Bhubritah. Bhubritam, Bhubritau, Bhubritah. Bhubrita, Bhubritabhyam,
Bhubridbhyam, Bhubridbhyam, Bhubridbhi. Not
Bhubridbhyam, Bhubridbhi. Bhubrite, Bhubridbhyam, Bhubridbhyam. Bhubritah, Bhubridbhyam, Bhubridbhyam. Bhubritah, Bhubritoho, Bhubritam. Bhubriti, Bhubritoho, Bhubritsu. He Bhubrit, He Bhubritav, He Bhubritav.
He Bhubrit, He Bhubritav, He Bhubritav, Sambodhana. So, jaise in the beginning of this session we had that Vipashchit. Vipashchit also will be like this. Vipashchit, Vipashchitau, Vipashchitaha. So, Vipashchitaha, if comes in Bhagavad Gita, either it can be, this is an interesting one. Vipashchitam, Vipashchitau, Vipashchitaha. This is also Vipashchitaha. And then you see Panchami Ekavachanam, Bhubritaha, Vipashchitaha. Shashti Ekavachanam, Bhubritaha, Vipashchitaha. The same thing is 4 times there. Pratama Bhavachanam, Dvitiya Bhavachanam, Panchami Ekavachanam, Shashti Ekavachanam. Everything is Bhubritaha, Vipashchitaha. Based on the context, we have to figure out what it means. So there will be some words this way.
We'll have 5 separate darshanas, each one interpreting differently.
So there was somebody say, oh, it's Prathama Bahuvachana. No, it's Shashti Ekavachana. So based on the context, we have to see, and when it is confusing, then Upakrama, Upasamhara, Abhyasa, Purva, all that to see what the Shadvida Linga, to see what Nirnaya is there, Shastra, to understand what it is. So this is maybe how people get confused also potentially with 4 different words, but this is how the word will decline. So when we say Vipaschit, Nayam Kutash Shayate Mriyate Va Vipaschit, that Vipaschit is quite simple because there is only one Vipaschit. Only Prathama Ekavachanam is Vipaschit. But in Bhagavad Gita, when Bhagavan says Vipaschitaha, Purushasya Vipaschitaha, so which one is it? Is it Prathama Eka, Prathama Bahu, Dvitiya Bahu, Panchami Eka, Shashti? Everything is the Vipaschitaha only. So based on the context, we have to see. And there will be other examples for Vipaschitaha, Bhubritaha, all this. Astu. Next, we have to see E Dhatu. E Dhatu के 10 लकारों 33. What is 33? हाँ, अस्तु. अत्र अस्ति. E Dhatu. हाँ, अभाजी कृपया पठतु. लट्, लोट्, लङ्, विधिलिङ्.
E Dhatu, the Shabda is 80.
हाँ, ई धातु जाने का अर्थ में, टू गो.
हाँ,
जाना.
ओके.
हाँ.
हम गम यूज करते हैं जनरली.
Yes. So sometimes eti will also be there. And for example, when you want to say udaya, Surya Udaya, you say Surya Udeti. So that upasarga will just add to this. Udeti, eti, etc.
Okay.
eti.
सूर्यम गच्छति ऐसा, सूर्य गच्छति ऐसा नहीं कहते हैं.
कह सकते हैं, लेकिन ये भी कहते हैं, वैसे भी कहते हैं. सूर्य उदेति वैसे भी कहते हैं. सूर्य गच्छति, उद गच्छति you can say, but उदेति हाँ, we don't say सूर्य गमनम हो गया ना, we say सूर्य उदय हो गया in that way.
Right, yeah, exactly. ये फॉर्म ज़्यादा यूज होता है. Okay. एति इतः यन्ति. एषि इथः इथ. एनि इवः इमः.
लोट.
लोट. एतु एताम यन्तु. इहि इतम इत. अयानि अयाव अयाम.
सत्यम. लंग.
एत एताम आयन. एहि एतम एत.
आयत.
आयम
आयत. आयत आयताम आयन. ऐत ऐताम आयन. ऐहि ऐतम एत. आयम ऐव ऐम. सत्यम. विधिलिंग.
And then विधिलिंग. इयात इयाताम इयुः. इयाहा इयाताम इयात. iyam, iyava, iyama.
Iyam, yava, iyama. So these four are commonly used. Others are also there. So for example, lit lakara, eshyati is given. Eshyati, eshyataha, eshyanti. Eshyasi, eshyataha, eshyatha. Eshyami, eshyava, eshyamaha. That will be lit lakara. And then lut, ashir, ling, ring, lit, lung, everything is there. So for example, if I want to see quickly, I see in Bhashya, so this is a trick, another trick. I quickly see in Bhashya iyat, because iyat comes sometimes in Upanishad. Iyat, something like this may come. So what this iyat, what kind of dhatu, what is this? I will just go to dhatu pata, and I will type in iyat, and it will turn up. So for example, I am just going to type iyat. You see, it has come. Kartari ashirling lakaraha parasmai padam prathama purusha ekavachana iyat. So this is an easy way in this website to see, at least search for whatever we see, some kind of word which is foreign, alien. We just come in here, just put it here in the search bar and it will turn up. But you have to type in Hindi or English or Sanskrit, not English. So this is for E dhatu, jana.
So in this one, suppose let's say that I am I want to go. So just come back to that page. So would I say, for example, like this, like, Vitiling or something, would it be right to say, Aham Emi, for example?
Emi. Yes. In Kathopanishad, Nachiketa says, right? Bahunam Emi Pratamo. Bahunam Emi Madhyamaha. In the first adhyaya itself it comes, I think 8th or 9th mantra of the Prathama adhyaya. We'll come to this page. 30. Correct, Ji. Yes, so this is a very...
These are like words.
Yes.
These are like words itself.
Yes.
I went. So yes. I can say, Aham Ayam.
Yes, of course. Aham Ayam, you will have to say. I went.
Aham Ayam.
Instead of saying Aham Agacha or something like that, Agachami or that way, you can just say Aham Ayam. I went. So here this Amy, where did we find Amy? Amy
is the
here. Lat Lakara. Nachiketa says, Bahunam Emi Pratamo. I am the first among many. Bahunam Emi Madhyamaha. I am Madhyama among many. But I am never Antima. I am never last. Then quits Kims Vidyamasa Kartavyam Yanme Adikarishi. Then why did you send me to Yamacharya? In that way he will think. I have been first among many. I am Emi. Jana, I have come, I have gone first among many, I have gone first among, Madhyama among many, in that way. So, Upanishad, the references are there for most service. Thank you, Sundarji, for pointing this out. There will be other, there's Yanti comes in Upanishad. Yanti in Brihadaranyaka, Kata maybe, Yanti, at least in Bhashya we have seen. They all went in that way. Then Yanti, that is not here, but that also will come. So all these different words, even though they seem like so simple and basic words, they get prayoga. Just not verbal prayoga.
Came when all these people went
maybe.
To find the sleeping man.
Maybe, yes, true. Possibly.
Find the sleeping man.
Possibly. Swapiti, that there, and he held the hand and all that stuff. Maybe that, yes, is possible. We'll have to check. Yes, that's true. It's possible that happened. So these kinds of words are definitely used, even though they look a little awkward, this dhatu especially, but it is a used dhatu. It is not unused. Astu. Now for third point they have given, Vyakarana. Hyaha Shvaha ke antar ke liye ye smaran kar le. So this we have seen in Prarambhika also. If anyone remembers. Here Sundarji may remember. Prarambhika. Hyo gate. Anagate Nishvaha. This is to understand. We don't need this because for us it is quite clear. Yaha is yesterday and Shvaha is tomorrow. But when people study Hindi, dono kal hai. Kal tha, kal hoga. Both are kal. So which is which kal? So for those people, for that, this yaha shvaha, hyo gate nagate nishvaha. Hyo is gate, what has gone. Anagate, what has not come, that is shvaha. Ahnihi, day.
Actually, in Prarambhika, I don't recollect too many sutras. I mean, there was
this is not a sutra.
And all that came.
Yes, but this is not a sutra. Hyogate nagate is just a prayoga. It is like a...
to remember.
Yeah, it is like
just to remember, it's a little...
like a proverb kind of thing, Hyogate nagate nishvaha. This is not a sutra. It is just to, like you said, remember which is here and which is shva. So some people will say, shvaha aham apatat. No, this is not shvaha. Shvaha is tomorrow. Shvaham aham patishyami. So yaha apatat. Yesterday or apatam, whatever. Yesterday I did that. So that will be past tense. Hyo gate. So gate, whatever is gone. Gate, that is yaha. Anagate, whatever is not gone, meaning whatever is going to come. That is shvaha. Hyo gate nagate nishvaha. Niyama ekashatam ekonavimshati. 119. Kriyadibhyaha shna. So final gana is here. Kriyadibhyaha shna. This number 3181 क्रियादिभ्यः श्नः शिवसूत्राणि माहेश्वरसूत्राणि. Sorry, I don't know if I mentioned this, but in this website there is also Maheshwara Sutrani is also here. It's called Shiva Sutrani here. I think at the beginning of Prarambhika. Sorry, maybe I mentioned it. So Sutrapatha.
I just saw, and I'm thinking that this shloka was nice one to recite one day. The first thing that comes, in Maheshwara Sutrani when you turn it on, it's the Najraj wala.
Yes, this may be a nice sutra to chant someday, but there will be better ones. But it is a nice, of course, Nataraja Rajo Nanada, etc. is coming. That is a nice sutra, true. Here we had to check something, right? 3181 sutra. 3181 Kriyadibhyaha Shna. Kriyadibhyaha Shna. So Shna is the Vikarana Pratyaya. How here it has been given Na. So in Shna, that Ish will get Lopa. Shna is the name of the Pratyaya, but Prayoga will be Na. So for example, Kri will be Krinati. And there will be other examples. But this basically, if you see, each Gana is based on one dhatu. Vadi bhu dhatu, adadi ada dhatu, juhotyadi ha dhatu for yajna, dadna juhoti in that way. Divadi di dhatu, div dhatu, so div dhatu rather, swadi su dhatu. All are based on some dhatu, and in that way people all go. So Kri dhatu you can also check. We can go to Dhatu Pata and check for Kri. So I want to check for Kri Dhatu. Kri, Druki, Dravya Nimiye, Dravya Vinimiye, Dravya Vinimaye. This is the name of the Dhatu. What does it say? Krinati, Krinataha, Krinanti, Krinitaha, Krinanti. So in this way, this whole Dhatu, everything will decline.
This Krinati was to buy or something, right?
That is for, there is one Dhatu, Kri Dhatu, this is to buy, but there is another Dhatu to buy similarly. I forgot it. Anyway, Kri Dhatu is to buy, correct. Karidna, they have given here. Kri Dhatu to buy, to purchase, Karidna badle milena. To buy is Kri Dhatu. Krinati. Maybe we saw somewhere.
Kridam to जो होता है, that is for playing, है ना?
Playing. Satyam. Satyam. Krida. Kridati kridataha. Kridam. That is for play. Krida dhatu. This is for Kri. This is not Krida. Kri. That's all. Then there is one interesting thing here in the next niyama. We will see that also. So नियम एकशतं 1 क्रियादिगण की विशेषता ये है कि की धातु की विशेषता ये है कि धातु और प्रत्यय के बीच में ना विकरण प्रत्यय लगता है, ना विकरण लगता है, स्ना प्रत्यय, उसको नी भी हो जाता है, धातु को गुण नहीं होता. सो जैसे क्रीणाति क्रीणीते, दैट्स व्हाट दे आर गिवन, क्रीणाति क्रीणीते. देन नियम 120. दिस इज potentially the Vidhayaka Sutra for San Pratyaya. But San Pratyaya has got 3 important sutras and maybe others also, but here they are given 3. 3 important here. This is the first of them. Dhatoho karmanaha samana kartrikadi chayam va. This sutra. This is 3.107, I think. We'll just check. 317, not 100, just 7. 3.1.7. Dhatoho karmanaha samana kartrikadi chaya va ichchayam. You see, dhatoho karmanaha samana kartrikat ichchayam va. For ichu, for desire. For that we say san pratyaya. I want to, in that way. इच्छा करना या चाहना अर्थ में धातु से सन प्रत्यय लगता है. They have given इच्छा करना या चाहना में, to want something, to desire something. यदि इच्छा करने वाला वही व्यक्ति हो तो So whoever is doing the icha, for that person itself, the same person who is doing that, the desirer itself, desire of the desirer, in that way we can say, want of the wanter. सन प्रत्यय, सन लगने पर धातु को द्वित्व हो जाता है. So that is why we say श्रु धातु will become शुश्रूषा, कृ धातु चिकीर्षा, जैसे हा धातु जुहोति और न्या धातु जिज्ञासा, द्वित्वम, लाइक जुहोत्यादि गण, द्वित्व हो जाता है. धातु के स्वरूप में कुछ अंतर भी हो जाता है. कैसे? सन प्रत्यय लगने पर परस्मैपदी धातु के रूप भवतिवत और आत्मनेपदी के सेवतेवत. सो दैट इज ओके. बट दिस बिगिनिंग में व्हाट वी सॉ, दैट ट्रिक इज वेरी गुड. श्रोतुमिच्छा शुश्रूषा, कर्तुमिच्छा चिकीर्षा, ज्ञातुमिच्छा जिज्ञासा, वक्तुमिच्छा विवक्षा, हंतुमिच्छा जिघांसा. इन दैट अशनापि पासा.
is not very clear to me.
द्वित्व we had.
द्वित्व में दो बार एक ही
Correct.
तो नहीं आ रहा है.
एक ही नहीं होगा, उसका मूल. So for example, क will become, for क there will be ch, that will be the द्वित्व. For nya there will be j, that will be the द्वित्व. That मूल. For sh there will be sh. So for example, द्वित्वम nya dhatu, right? So this should be nyasuhu, right? Why is it not nyasu? It is jignyasuhu. It is not nyasuhu. That is the dvitvam, the double.
Okay.
It happens that first letter only.
It's very.
Shushrushu also shru dhatu. It is not shushru dhatu. Shru dhatu. Shrotum, shru. Shrunu, Bhagavan says, right? Shrunu. That's shru dhatu, but shu will come in the beginning. So that is the dvitvam, the double. Everything will have. Vaktumichuhu, vivakshuhu. Hatumichuhu, antumichuhu, jighamsuhu. Drashtumichuhu should be dakshuhu, with drakshuhu only. Why it is the drakshuhu? Because that dvitvam is there. In this, there will be dvitvam. Pipasuhu, titirshuhu. And dvitvam will always be with ikara or ukara, depending on the main dhatu.
All our examples here are with ikara.
Except Shushrushu. Shushrushu is ukara.
Okay, so ikara also. Yeah.
In rare cases, but almost always it will be ikara only. Then everything else is okay. This sutra, there is one more important sutra we must remember for this. So 317, the two sutras before 317, that is 315 and 316, are both for san pratyaya, but for different shabdas. So this 315, for example, 315, they have given examples. Titikshate, chikitsyate, jugupsate. So this chikirsha, chikirshuhu, this is not from 317. While all these vivakshu, jigamsu, didrakshu, all this may be from 317. Chikirshuhu alone is from 315. Gup, tij, kidbhyaha, san. In these four dhatus, gup dhatu, tij dhatu, ki dhatu, bhya dhatu, in these three dhatus, gup will become jugupsa. Jugupsa, how in Viveka Chudamani and maybe in other books also, jugupsa will come. Jaise jealousy, sometimes you can translate jugupsa, or he wants to do in that way. Gopayitum icha, jugupsa. And then titiksha, like titiksha is there, sadhana chatushtaya. That titiksha is from here. And chikitsya, and Bhagavan also says tams titikshasva.
So titiksha would be what it should.
Here they see tejayitum ichu, but it is not an obvious thing, right? We know this titiksha more. So here we can say titikshate. So titikshate tejayitum ichhate. To forbear, to just tolerate in that way. Titiksha. It is not an obvious meaning. There will be something like jugupsa also. In Viveka Chudamani, this jugupsa is used to denote jealousy. Vairagya, say jugupsate or something. Or even, to get away from vairagya. I don't want it in that way. in Kata and Ishavasya, tato na vijugupsate. That mantra comes twice or that. That is your Gopayitumicha. Vijugupsate. V plus Gopayitumicha. V upasarga purvak. Gopaitu. So that will become Vijugupsate, Vijugupsate. In that way. And Chikitsati, Kartum. So this three dhatus alone are governed by that sutra, 315. Gup, Tij, Kidbhyaha, San. But there is a even more important sutra for us as Vedanti students, etc. This sutra, 316. This came, I think, even last week in some online class. This had come. Mimamsa. Mimamsa Shabda. Here they had given Gambhira Vichara, but really we said it was Pujita Vichara. So in Pujita Vichara there is Mang Dhatu. Mang Mani. Mang Dhatu. That Mang will get Dvitvam. So it becomes Mimamsa. There is a sutra for this. They have not given here. Sani, Mi, Ma, Gura. They have not given. But we don't need that now. This sutra is very important. How this Ma became Mi and not Mi. Ideally it should be Mimamsa, right? Like how everything else is Hrasva. Like Didrakshuhu, Jighamsuhu, Vivakshuhu. But here it is Dirga. How this Hrasva became Dirga? This sutra. Man Badadan Shan Bhyo Dirgascha Abhyasascha. For Man Dhatu, Bad Dhatu, Dan Dhatu and Shan Dhatu. 4 dhatus. It will become Dirga and Abhyasa will also happen. Manayati. Mang Dhatu will become Manayati. So Mimamsate. Badayati Bibhatsate. Danayati Didamsate. And Nishanayati Shishamsate. Not Shishamsha. Didamsa. Bibat. No. Bibhatsa. Mimamsa. So that this sutra 100% this will come again in the next few months, at least once in our Vedanta classes. So you will ask, Mimamsa which sutra? This sutra. This has come even in Brihadaranyaka. This has come for Mang, Mani, Dhatu, etc. 316. Yeah. So these 3 sutras are all for Sanpratyaya. We'll just see this bit and this next niyama we'll see tomorrow, I guess. So they have given examples. Gam. Hanji.
Mangala Charan is nothing to do with just Man Dhatu say.
No. Mangala Charana, I don't think it has anything to do with. Say, in terms of, you are saying because it is Pujita Vichara in that sense.
Exactly.
You think it is Mangala.
Yeah.
Mangala, see, all these words will have some Mula. All the big words that we have, Sanya Shabda also, big Sanya Shabdas, like Mangala is a longer Sanya. They will all have some Mula Dhatu, most of the time. So it is possible. I am not aware whether it is from Man Dhatu, but it is quite possible because many times, many of these Sanya Shabdas are from these kinds of Dhatus. I will check and tell you. I am not sure, but I will check. I think it is possible for sure. Many times this will come. Like Patham is from Patha Dhatu. I say I am going to do studies. That is from Patha Dhatu. So there will be that Mool Shabda or Mool Dhatu. It's possible that Man Dhatu is for Mangala. I will check. Jaise. So examples they have given. These examples, if you read out loud later, sometime, this will all stay in the head easily. Gam Dhatu, Jigamishati. This is Lat Lakara. Lot Lakara, Jigamishatu. Jigamisha. Jigamishati has come in Bhashya Tika. Gam Dhatu, Jigamishati. Jigamisha, Jigamishet, Vidiling. Ajigamishat, Lang. Jigamishishati, Lit. So this Jigamishishati, jaise hi Vivakshayishyati, Bhubhushishyati, in that way this will come. Shushrushishyati, Shushrushishyati, in that way. So this double sh twice it will come. Astu. सन्नंत प्रयोग वाली प्रचलित धातुएं ये है. So they have given भू धातु बुभूषति. So Sundarji had asked बुभुक्षा भोक्तुमिच्छा. भू धातु बुभुक्षा बुभूषति. भ्रू विवक्षति. भ्रू धातु वक्तुमिच्छा विवक्षति. श्रू शुश्रूषते श्रोतुमिच्छा. कृ चिकीर्षति कर्तुमिच्छा. ह्र जिहीर्षति हन्तुमिच्छा. तृतीर्षति तीर्णमिच्छा. मृ मुमूर्षति. ज्ञा जिज्ञासते. पा पिपासति. धा दित्सते. This comes, right? This has come recently in something. I think Brihadaranyaka. Ditsuhu shabda will be used by Tikakara, etc. Ditsuhu, datum ichuhu, ditsuhu. The person who wants to give dhanam. Ditsu.
So in this, there's the only kind of odd thing out here is this G, which seems to add to her. Like with Patayati, it is Pipa, Pipatayati, Mumu, it's Guru. So therefore, somewhere the Dvita seems to tie up. Apart from the Jigras, of course, with Guru also, it is Vivakshati.
That is why they had said, when they had explained this, they had given सन लगने पर धातु को द्वित्व हो जाता है, then धातु के स्वरूप में कुछ अंतर भी हो जाता है. This is the अंतर.
So, we can just see, because usually the word, the Dvitva G seems to go with her. Like that.
Correct.
It seems to go with the...
Yes, that is true.
Not your regular Vyanjana.
Yes, it is not. Like for example, Hra dhatu will not be hirshati or Nya dhatu will not be Nyasate. That is also difficult to say. So in that way, like for example, if you see Juhotyadi Gana, when we saw the Gana itself, Ha dhatu became Juhoti. This is Ha dhatu. Why it cannot be Hahoti? Same. So the Ja will come with this. There is one sutra for this. I've forgotten the sutra. But there is a sutra that says why this Ja and Ha should be together, etc.
Yeah. Because I was just thinking, how will we ever recognize this? The Dvitva letter, that kind of goes with it. Because I couldn't read that logically, but it looks as if
this is the logic.
Yeah, there are a few which seem to go together. So that's a good thing.
स्वरूप में कुछ अंतर भी हो जाता है. It is nice if, for example, there are only good or bad, there are 2000 dhatus. You can say there are so many or there are only. So, but if we are able to see just the main rupas of these dhatus, just like once, when if reading is enough, there are people even across the road from us, like just across. There is a girl who I believe has memorized the whole Ashtadhyayi, and now she's trying to memorize Amarakosh. She's 14 or 15 years old. So still those kinds of traditions happen. We don't need so much study because for Vedanta, we just need to see what the word means. You don't have to memorize and sit and ratify everything. But it is a good idea. Like for example, like you said, Hridhatu Jihirshati and Nyadhatu Jignyasati, etc. That much, if we can understand and recognize, that's really good. Dha dhatu ditsati. Dha dhatu ditsati. Lab lipsate. Han jighamsati. Drish didrikshate. Pat pipatishati. Swap sushupsati. Graha jigrikshati. Ji jigishati. Kit chikitsati. Bhuj bubukshate. Man mimamsate. Much mumukshati. Bhad bhibatsate. So in this way, these main dhatus, they have all declined from dhatu to san pratyaya. But at the same time, we can also do an alternative form and use tumun pratyaya. Han dhatu, jigamsati, we can say hantumichati. Pat dhatu, they have given pipatishati. But we can just say, what will we say for pat dhatu? Satyam, patitum ichhati. So it's very simple. We can just put dhatu plus tumun plus ichha, and then we can finish it. Okay. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayam Sutra Bhashyakridau Vande Bhagavantau Punatmana Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagini Vyoma Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om